Meaning of irrevocable.
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 Irrevocable. Irrevocable means something that cannot be changed or undone. It is a term commonly used in legal and financial contexts. For example, an irrevocable trust is a type of trust that cannot be modified or terminated without the permission of the beneficiary. Similarly, an irrevocable letter of credit is a financial instrument that cannot be cancelled or changed by the issuer without the agreement of all parties involved. In general, when something is described as irrevocable, it means that it is final and cannot be reversed or altered.